Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel, and what we're going to do today is another unboxing video, and I'm going to be doing unboxing of the Dremel Fortiflex 9100. I'll just change camera and let's get to it. So there it is. I'm going to turn the box around. I just put it this way so you can actually see what it said. We'll get the box opened. It comes with I think this is the warranty card, and it comes with an instruction book in loads of different languages. Just put them to one side. Lift this up, and here we are. So I'll show you the unit first. So what it is basically a motor. This is a 300 watt motor. With a speed range of 0 to about 20,000 revs. It's got on-off switch up at the top here, and it's also got a handle for hanging on. I'll put that to one side until I need to put it together. So this is the flexi shaft, which fits onto the motor assembly, and on this one you've actually got a keyed chuck, so you have a small Jacob's chuck key to go with this, and this takes the diameter for this is 3 to 4 mil shaft on this one. So I'll put that to one side until we start putting it back together. You've got a hanging bracket for hanging the motor on, and you've also got a couple of spare brushes as well. Small Allen key for putting everything together. You've got a bag of accessories, various sanding drums, carving, grinding in there, and you also get a set of small drills as well, which goes from 0.8 millimeter through to 3.2 millimeter. Put them to one side. This is the speed control. That's it. So this plugs into the motor unit, and then you've got the power source there. I'll just cut that plastic strap off. There we go. So I'll get that plugged in a minute, and we'll come back to the motor and show you how the flexi shaft attaches. I'll just move the box out of the way for the minute. Right, so here's the motor, and on the shaft of the motor you've got a flat spot. Let's see if you can see that bit if I go. That's better. So there's a flat on the shaft there. And I'm just undoing this Allen key on the housing. Here we go, and what I've done there is I've just pulled out the couple. I'll go back to the other camera now, I think. So I've just pulled out the flexi shaft a little bit, and this has got an Allen key on, or a wee grub screw I should say. And what you do is you line up the grub screw with the flat on the shaft and tighten that up. That's that tightened. Make sure that's all nicely shoved down like that. Now this has got a left-hand thread on, so you actually screw it as if you were going to unscrew it. It tightens up the opposite way. Get that nicely tightened up. And bring that up like that. And tighten this part up as well. So that's it, all nicely assembled. Now I've already got somewhere to hang this close to the lathe, because I will predominantly be using this on the lathe. I'll just get that hung on there. And on the foot control, you've got the socket on there, and that just plugs in like so. And then you plug the power in. I'll just get that done. So this is 240 volt, 60 hertz I think it is. So that's it, all set up. So what I'll do, I'll just get one of the accessories out, and you can see how it all fastens together. Just use this drum sander, seeing as how it's already put together. Just open this up a little bit. Slot that in. Tighten that down. Switch it on at the unit. And then it's just a case of pressing the foot pedal. Looks like you turn the power on. And that's it. You can control it with your foot, so you can have it going fairly slow all the way up to full speed, which is about 20,000 RPM. Brilliant bit of kit, very comfortable to hold on to, so you can do some really nice detail work with this. I've just got a piece of, this is just a piece of ash, so I can just show you on this, just a bit of sanding. So that's it working. I'll just switch that off. So that's basically everything that's in the box. I'll just change camera again, come back to the main camera. So there we are, guys. That's the Fortiflex 9100. Excellent piece of kit. I will be using this quite often over the next few weeks, so you should see quite a few projects with me using this. I hope that was informative, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.